In this video, we will guide you through the application process step by step. Get ready to embark on an enriching educational journey. To begin the application process, visit our website and enter your student ID. Next, fill in your personal information as well as the information of your legal guardian. Select the grade level you will be attending in September. Now it's time to choose the programs you are interested in and the year you would like to attend. If you are interested in applying for a scholarship, make sure to check yes when prompted. Take your time to craft and submit a motivational essay. Before submitting your application, make sure you carefully read and agree to the terms and conditions. Congratulations! You have completed the application form. Now, all you need to do is submit the form and wait for the results. Our admissions team will carefully review your application and inform you about the next steps.